A petrol pump owner mixed leaded and unleaded petrol in such a way that the mixture contains 10% unleaded petrol. What quantity of leaded petrol should be added to 1 liter so that the percentage of unleaded petrol becomes 5%? So we are given that we have 1 liter of petrol, which is 1000 ml, and petrol pump owner mixed leaded and unleaded petrol in such a way that the mixture contains 10% unleaded petrol. So in this 1000 ml of mixture, we have 10% of unleaded petrol. 10% of 1000 is 100 ml. Alright, so if 10% is unleaded petrol, so that means we have 90% of leaded petrol, and 90% of 1000 is 900. So this much is clear. What quantity of leaded petrol should be added to 1 liter so that the percentage of unleaded petrol becomes 5%? So what quantity of leaded petrol? So let's say this is our original mixture, which is of 1000 ml, and let's say we are adding X amount of leaded petrol. Okay, we are adding X ml of leaded petrol, and the question is telling me in what way should we add it so that the unleaded petrol becomes 5%. Now pay attention here. We are only adding leaded petrol. Okay, so we are not adding unleaded petrol, we are only adding leaded petrol. All right, so that means no matter how much I add, 100 ml, 200 ml, or whatever I add, there will be no change in this there will be no change in the amount of unleaded petrol. This will always be 100 ml. Okay, no matter this mixture becomes 2000 ml, 3000 ml, there will always be 100 ml of unleaded petrol. So, and the question is telling me that in what way should we add that the unleaded petrol becomes 5%. That means this 100 ml will become 5% of this new mixture. So we have this new mixture, which is 1000 plus X ml. This is our new mixture, and 5% of this mixture, 5% of this new mixture should be equals to this 100 ml of unleaded petrol. This is unleaded petrol. Okay, so let's calculate. So we have here 5 ones are 5 2s are 0, and this 100 goes on the right hand side, so we get X is equals to 2000 minus this 1000. So we have X is equals to 1000 ml. So that means this X is what? This X is the quantity of leaded petrol. So that means we have to add 1000 ml of leaded petrol so that this 100 ml of 100 ml of unleaded petrol becomes 5% of this new mixture. So this is our required answer, and here option A is the correct one.